Hey everyone, this is Arun and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I'm discussing about the solution of this question from chapter number 3, question number 28. A manufacturer of fabricated homes has decided to subcontract four components of the homes. Several companies are interested in receiving this business, but none can handle more than one subcontract. The bids made by the companies for the various subcontracts are summarized in the following table. So the bids of the companies are being provided for each component 1, 2, 3, and 4, where we have four companies A, B, C, and D. Now here, this question is asking the solution in three parts: part A, part B, and part C. So I have provided the solutions. I have solved this question and provided the solutions in Excel spreadsheet. For part A, formulate an LLP model for this problem, then create a spreadsheet model for this problem and solve it using solver. And then part C, which is what is the optimal solution. So I'm sharing you the solution. So for part A, LP formulation. So this part is our decision variables where X, I, and J equals to 1 if component is assigned to company J, 0 otherwise. So we have the objective variables listed over here, and then these all are our constants. Then the spreadsheet model is here. We have also used Excel formulas and built the spreadsheet model from row 19. So this is our constraints where we have company A, company B, company C, and company D. The cost matrix, bids in 1000s, and these all are components 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then this table provides us the decision variables where this one is equal. This one is our row sum, which is 1 required, which is 1, which has been mentioned in the question itself. And then this one is the row, which is the column sum, which also equals 1 as mentioned in our question. And then the final solution that I'm receiving is 1049. So the objective of total cost solver, minimum solution, which is 1049. And then the part C, optimal solution for each component 1, 2, 3, and 4. These all are the components, so optimal solution. Now here I have drafted this whole using Excel formulas and with the help of Excel solver, I have solved this question. This cell is the minimum cost. So it's our objective, cell B40. So this is all in this video. So this is our solution for each and every points that has been asked in the question. And if you want any help from my end, you can reach me out for this question. I can help you to build out the solution using Excel solver by providing the constants and the decision variables which are required in the similar way which I have done. Or to get this solution itself, you can I will be sharing my email address in the description part of this video, where you can reach me out over my email, as well as I'm also sharing my WhatsApp number in the description itself. So you can reach me out both of the way, whether email or WhatsApp. And if you have any other questions which you are having stuck, or maybe you're requiring any help in that question, so you can reach me out too as well, because I have solved many questions from this textbook. So you can reach me out for that one as well. So thank you for watching this video and have a great day ahead. Take care. Bye for now.